On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Misty Jones, file number 22-02933. Council appearance.
Jeff Brodowitz on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
I think John Lee spoke with Ms. Jones. I apologize.
He was just sitting outside. Is he right there?
There's our judge. I think he might be downstairs talking to someone in custody.
Is he handling his appearance? Okay, you can have a seat. We need to wait for your attorney to come back. What was it that you said Wills was here?
Mason Watkins.
On the record in the matter, the people of the state of Michigan versus Mason Watkins, file number 23-00304. Council appearance.
Jeff Brodowitz on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Watkins.
Okay, Mr. Watkins, today was the date and the time set for probation violation hearing. Are we having a hearing today?
This time, my request would be for a brief adjournment. I think there's some issue with the reading process in our office. For some reason, Mr. Watkins had not been approved yet as of today. And certainly I'd like to get representation since that is what he's requesting. So if we could get perhaps a week adjournment or whatever the court would see fit.
November 20th at 1:30.
Thank you.
No problem. Any additional matters today?
People, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Michelle Wagner.
I'm sorry.
Michelle Wagner.
Not here.
She is.
She is. Who's representing Wagner?
Sorry, what was that?
Wagner.
Who represents Wagner? And Mr. Shearer obviously isn't here tonight.
Looks like the Wagner is assigned to conflict attorney Joseph Young.
For the purposes of the probation violation.
It is that case number, yes, Your Honor.
Does he handle the underlying matter? Because he's not here today. Was he notified that he was assigned to a probation violation?
I don't have any record of that, Your Honor, but I have no notes to the contrary. Either.
Do you have contact information for Mr. Yang? Actually, I need a docket for the next week. It is. I'm going to what's going on with that file. I actually gotta see the file. You said, Holmes is present or she left?
Holmes.
She was Holmes?
She was MDSC lawyer, but she's.
Oh, okay, got it. She's an NPLC. record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Mr. Jones, file number 22-02933. Council appearance.
Jeff Prodowitz on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Mr. Jones.
There's a date and a time that's set for probation violation. Hearing, are we proceeding to hearing today?
No, Your Honor, we are not. I'm having an administrative issue. I am unable to confirm that I have been appointed to Ms. Jones' case. We are prepared to proceed. We've had discussions, and we're ready to have conduct this hearing or lack thereof today, but I haven't been appointed.
Well, then I don't want you to preside over if you're not able to confirm. We're already resetting the co-defendants. We can reset this one.
Okay.
November 20th at 1:30. Get your copy of your notice to appear, okay, ma'am? You're welcome. Then we're ready on Bearden.
Yes, sir.
Brought up, um, I'm sorry, what matter was Mr. Staples? Oh, Mr. Bearden. Are we having a hearing?
No.
We're not having a hearing, Mr. Staples, so you're free to go if you'd like.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of, I'm sorry, the city of Lansing versus Sean Michael Bearden, file number 22-01534. Council appearance.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Sean Michael Bearden.
Okay, Mr. Bearden, today was the date and the time that was set for a probation violation hearing. Let's see if I can find the violation. That's fine. Don't see a recommendation, that's for sure. Okay. Okay, so the violation I have is all the way from February 2023. It says you failed to appear for your scheduled orders appointment with probation officer back on February 1st, 2023. Looks like you were arraigned on that. It was set for arraignment originally, but you failed to appear. I issued a bench warrant ordering that you be remanded. It looks like Magistrate Milmore arraigned you on June 26th. You told her that you never got the notice and had probation in Eaton County at the time. She said for a hearing on July 10th, 2023, but then you failed to appear on July 10th, 2023. But you indicated that your attorney advised you came later, indicated your attorney advised you that it was reset. We reinstated your bond and we reset your matter for August 8th. You failed to appear on August 8th. And that brings us to this point. We're not having a hearing today.
No.
So he wants to plead guilty to the violation?
Correct.
Is that correct?
Correct.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give is the truth and the whole truth under penalty of perjury. Thank you. You can put your hand down. Okay, so you have the right to have a contested hearing in this matter. You have the right to be represented by an attorney at that hearing. If you are found to be in violation of your probation status as alleged, your probation can be revoked. You can be sentenced to a term of jail time. Do you understand that?
I understand.
And you wish to give up all of those rights in order to enter a guilty plea? You right threatening you to continue to give up your right to have a hearing today?
No, ma'am.
Was there a promise made to you in exchange for you pleading guilty to the violation?
No, ma'am.
As to the violation that you failed to appear for your scheduled orders appointment with probation back on February 1st, 2023, how do you plead? Factual basis.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Bearden, were you sentenced to a term of probation in case number 22-01534-01?
I guess it's a little foggy. A lot was going on with Eaton County, and yeah, I was.
Okay.
So
And so as a condition of that probation, you were ordered to report to the probation department so that orders could be established and terms and conditions could be reviewed, correct?
right, that's usually by default.
Yeah, okay. And so did you ever report to Ingham County probation or 54A District Court probation for that purpose?
No, I didn't.
No further questions, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied with the factual basis to accept your plea. Find your plea made freely, voluntarily, and intelligently. You can address the court for a sentence.
Your Honor, what Mr. Bearden would want the court to consider is the fact that he has been incarcerated for quite some time now. He recognizes the fact that he did not fulfill the obligations of his probation and fully expects and in fact desires to be discharged from probation and asks the court to sentence him to time served. We have him as being incarcerated at least since August 21st on this and other matters. He has also spent some time back in May and June and is soon to report to MDOC per the sentencing guidelines he's facing in Eaton County, which are 14 to 72 months. So we ask the court to respectfully consider the fact that Mr. Bearden has spent a significant time in jail on this and other matters and sentence him to time served.
How was he in jail since August?
He reports that he was picked up August 21st.
This man.
No, he was picked up in Eaton County on another matter, right?
No unrelated matter.
And advised that there was a warrant here for his arrest at that time as well.
Why didn't they bring him to be arraigned?
That I don't know.
They told me they were originally going to bring me to Ingham County on the warrant. But then they got word from another source allegedly that wanted to bring up other charges. So they turned around and took me to Eaton County instead. And I told them to let Ingham County know that I was incarcerated and what was going on and try to set up some kind of burns or some kind of writ, something to where I could get this taken care of.
Okay. We'll discharge you from probation unsuccessfully, refer your balance of $425 to collections. And credit you time served. You're all set.